Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a Virginia driver and you're thinking about protecting your car's paint, especially from the salt air, gravel, road debris, and unpredictable weather, then you've probably heard of ClearBra, also called Paint Protection Film or PPF. But before you go and spend thousands of dollars, let's break it all down, the real pros and cons of ClearBra installation, and we'll show you how Icon Rocklear can take your protection game even further. So first off, what is a ClearBra? It's a clear, tough film that gets applied to your vehicle, usually starting with the front bumper, part of the hood, and fenders, and that's called a partial front. Some go a step further with a full front, which covers the full hood, fenders, headlights, and side mirrors. Now, this stuff is virtually invisible, but it gives your paint a serious defense against what Virginia roads can throw at you. So let's talk benefits. Stone chips, handled. Bug guts, bird droppings, UV rays, and salt, no problem. It even helps preserve your resale value because your paint stays looking fresh, and modern PPF even has self-healing technology, so light scratches and a little heat can make those scratches disappear. But this is also important. That only works with minor scratches like brushes and car wash swirls, not deep gouges. And PPF also makes washing your car easier. Dirt doesn't easily stick to it, water sheets off, and it cuts down your time of maintenance. And here's another thing. If PPF gets damaged, you can't spot repair it. You have to remove and replace entire panels. And that's $300 minimum and usually more per panel out of your pocket. And while you don't have to wax PPF, you do need to maintain it properly to avoid discoloration, water spotting, or lifting. So here's where Icon Rocklear comes in. It is a next generation coating that's thicker, stronger, and more durable than traditional ceramic coatings. And it's fully repairable, and you can install PPF on top of it, and that is a huge deal. Because if a rock chip does break through the PPF, guess what? Your Rocklear is still underneath it, protecting your paint. Plus, Rocklear can be polished and fixed without removing entire panels. Most repairs cost nothing, or at most $50 or maybe a few $100s in very rare, heavy damage situations, but never thousands. So what's the smartest strategy for maximum protection for off-roading or track performance style vehicles? We recommend pairing Icon Rocklear on the full painted body and applying PPF to the vulnerable high strike areas like the front bumper, hood, and side mirrors. This gives you impact protection up front and durable, long-lasting coverage everywhere else on the vehicle, without the insane cost of wrapping the entire vehicle itself. And here's a bonus. Rocklear doesn't need expensive annual inspections to keep its warranty. That saves you even more money over the long term. So the bottom line is this. ClearBra is a fantastic tool for Virginia drivers who want to protect their vehicle beyond what Icon Rocklear does by itself for daily driver conditions. But if you're looking for a smarter, more cost-effective way to protect your whole vehicle, Icon Rocklear plus PPF is a winning combo. So before you go book that expensive appointment, reach out to the Icon Rocklear Virginia team and get a custom quote for your car. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments down below. Stay protected, and we will see you in the next video.